Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting me take the time to send you this video. Now, there's a few things I want to go over with you today. Now, I don't want to take up too much of your time, and after this video, if you could send me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over today with you are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be anything made up on your front page here. Any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all part of your content. By the way, I love the C'est la vie saying. That's one of my favorites. But Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a homepage. Within that content, you want to be able to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a big help. Now, I know you have quite a few different things that you offer here, but I did stick to just live plants to show you for a different website that I'll be able to compare a little later on here in a second. So we use this tool here, and what we're able to do is we're able to pull up the analytics of your website. So the first thing that you're going to see here is going to be your trust, which is the DR, and the strength, which is the UR of your website with Google. Now you want to continually keep these moving forward and try to keep them as balanced as possible. Now I see you are indexing for 8 keywords at the moment. We want to be able to look at competitors' websites and be able to put their analytics in as well, so we can also start seeing different buyer intent keywords that you would want to be able to utilize into your website as well to start bringing your website more traffic. Also, backlinks. You don't have any backlinks at the moment, but what a backlink is anywhere you find your website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are the same. The links are not created equal. Some of the links are going to be more spammy, some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are definitely more authoritative and will bring power to your website. Now, like I said, I stuck to live plants and I put that into Google. So what you want to do is once you have everything working together, you want it to be able to bring you up on Google. And a lot of the times, especially in your own area, is what we call a map pack. And you want to be able to try to get your business in those map packs or on the front page of Google in an organic way. So that way that will always bring more traffic to your website as well. So another thing you want to do for your website is if you have a Google Business profile, you want to make sure that in the About Us section that they give you 750 words. You want to make sure you use each and every one of those words to talk about your website and your business, but also you want to be able to put keywords into that About Us section as well. Now, you also want to be very responsive to any of your reviews and messages that you get, and make sure you keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos on social media and stuff to keep relevance with your website. Now, another thing that's very important is citations. This is where your business name, address, and phone number are in things like Yellow Pages and Yelp. And by going out and giving your information to as many people as possible, it's going to bring that relevance up as well and help with your website. So like I said, I just picked one thing to go off of here, and I found this website here. And putting their analytics in, they have quite a bit of backlinks. They have over 10,000 backlinks from over 1,000 websites, and then they are ranking for over 39,000 keywords. So the idea is to try to go through different websites that offer the same services as you to be able to see the type of keywords, buyer intent keywords especially, that would match up with your products and services that you could utilize into your own website. And then when it comes to backlinks, we want to make sure we try to utilize the the authoritative backlinks that they have, but also we want to go out and find you your own as well and try to get more than competitors. So the idea is to give as much strength and power to your website as possible by utilizing all of these items with those backlinks, those keywords, and those citations, and bring up that strength and that trust with Google. So I do want to say thank you for letting me take the time to send you this video. I appreciate it. And I will be sending over my information with this video, so you'll have my phone number and my email as well. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Brittany, and thank you so much for your time. You have a great day.